withdrawing money from Google Calendar to your bank account involves a few steps, as Google Calendar itself does not handle financial transactions directly. Instead, you will typically use associated services like Google Pay. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Set up Google Pay. Ensure that you have Google Pay set up on your device. Download the app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and create an account if you haven't already. Link your bank account to Google Pay for easy transfers. Step 2. Receive payments. If someone is sending you money through Google Calendar events like for shared expenses, ensure they use Google Pay to send you the funds. You can create an event and include payment details or request money through the app. Step 3. Access your Google Pay account. Open the Google Pay app on your device. Check your balance to confirm that the money has been received. If you have received payments through Google Calendar, they will show up in your Google Pay account. Step 4. Withdraw funds. To withdraw money to your bank account, navigate to the Transfer or Withdraw option in Google Pay. Select the amount you wish to transfer and choose your linked bank account as the destination. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Review the details of your transfer, including the amount and bank account information. Confirm the transaction. The funds typically take a few business days to appear in your bank account, depending on your bank's processing times. In conclusion, while Google Calendar itself does not facilitate direct withdrawals, using Google Pay allows you to manage and transfer funds easily. Make sure to keep your app updated and check for any changes in procedures as technology evolves.